using the Achieve app. Now scam. On the 21st of August, I made this cash out. On the 22nd of August, I made the following cash out, as you see right on the screen. Now scam. On the 1st September, I made this cash out. Just recently, 24th October, right? This 24th October, I made this cash out. What are you waiting for? Using the Achieve app. Let's go, let me show you how to make it. As I said, I've already made a video on how to use the Achieve app. This is a revised video that I'm making for you. So go to Play Store and download Achieve app. Search for Achieve app. This one you can use your Android phone or your iPhone to search for Achieve app on the Play Store or your App Store. Just when you download it, just sign up using your Gmail and your number. Then pick a PIN or a password that you can set using the Achieve app, so that whenever you will log in, you can use that password. Now, I've already made a video on it, so I will pin the comment section the link. The video link is in the comment section, so go right there and watch that video. How to use the Achieve app, how to make top up, how to deposit money to the Achieve app, how to make investment, how to verify it in the Achieve app. Yes, and how to fill your profile information. Everything is there. I've made a video on it. But the only thing is that for the Achieve app, the interest that you earn whenever you put money in it, whichever amount you put in it, just leave it for either 6 months or a year. By the time you come back and check your interest, you have amount of money that will grow your investment. So this is how to use the Achieve app. Just go to the comment section, click on the video link and watch how to use the Achieve app. Generally, I've made a video on it. Just go and download the Achieve app on your Play Store or your App Store. Just sign in using your Gmail and continue using the Achieve app. Deposit money in it and just grow your investment.